Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss how to create a new blog in Hubspot. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to your homepage. Once you're in there, just click on Content. In here, you can find Blogs. Make sure to click on Blog right here in order to create it. Once you're in there, you can see this particular page. For this, you can start with AI, or you can start creating blogs from scratch. You have those two options right there. Do take note that starting with AI requires another subscription. On this part, you just need to add your details, such as your actual blog post title. You can also add categories, meta descriptions, tags, featured images, SEO settings, author name, topic clusters, social sharing buttons. Enter your blog post title, your date, and also add text, share this post, and links. For example, let's input here fruits and vegetables. Then input your date, add logos, menus, and click here to add text. You can just type your actual content and include headings, bullet points, images, hyperlinks, and other formatting to make the blog readable and visually appealing. Once you're done, save this option, click on this part, and then publish it. That's all there is today. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.